Founded over 30 years ago, COEL provides exceptional design and fit-out for offices and laboratories. The team provides a full turnkey service including commercial removals, storage and property services.
I am Dan Fordham, work for COEL's Property Services, and what we do is primarily look at design, installation and maintenance of mechanical, electrical and plumbing services and small fabric repairs. So I've been with the company just less than a year, and I've come from Cushman & Wakefield and previous to that Bidwells. So I bring a lot of client-side experience to the role, and we help the clients take their properties from the construction phase, project phase, through to mobilisation and then into what we call business as usual or occupation. And we're there to support the client beyond that construction sort of element of their projects.
So we work with our clients from concept through to completion. We sit with them and do workplace audits, time allocation studies, and truly understand what they need from the space today and tomorrow. On top of that, we also go and have a look at the site with them, so understand the architectural detailing, the building, the infrastructure, and how that can best support them and how they want to work.
So I joined this wonderful team back in 2019. I act as the main point of contact between our clients and the wider COEL group. I'm generally involved from the very beginning of the customer journey right through to handover and completion of a project. At COEL we help guide you through the design and build process by developing an initial specification for your desired project. Our incredible design team get involved early on to produce their feasibility and space planning studies to make sure a potential commercial space is a suitable fit for your needs. We then follow the REBA stages to develop the design up to construction and as-built level. So our real strength I think is within our turnkey offering. So we have our design, estimating, mechanical and electrical, decorating, project management, furniture and moving services all conducted in-house. So that allows our customers to deal with just one company rather than having to manage multiple contractors themselves. We work for landlords directly, but also businesses across a wide range of industries. We cover office, labs, education, hospitality, just to name a few of the sectors we work with.
Yes, so we're finding that there is a huge demand for agile workspace. A lot of clients are looking to consolidate their property assets and the areas that they work from in lieu of the pandemic, and in support of a more agile workforce. So with that comes some challenges. Certainly when the fit outside of the company we're looking at those changes of space, but certainly we need to be advising our clients on their statutory responsibilities and ensuring their maintenance of their spaces are in line with those changes and in line with the law as well. And certainly there's some statutory responsibility changes around the pandemic, in respect to AC and air ventilation. So we're there to support and advise on that.
I've been at COEL for over 10 years, and within that time I've noticed that office spaces dramatically changed from being solely open plan office spaces with lots of fixed desks to now more creative, agile environments. However, in the last 18 months things have completely changed. 18 months ago people were told to go home and work in a home environment, whereas now we're slowly getting people back into the open plan office space. However, we're looking at a more agile, creative, happy environment for people and focusing on well-being and a space that people can truly enjoy.
It's all evolved quite significantly over the past 20 months or so, as you say. With lockdown and the work from home ethos, it's forced much more of an agile and flexible way of working. So many businesses, as a result of lockdown, have updated their technology and communications, and as a result have used them to review their workplace strategy and enabled their staff to work from anywhere, which is much more of the agile ethos which we were seeing workplaces go anyway. But speaking with businesses over recent months, it's very interesting to see how each one is planning to return to the workplace. And there's by no means one size that fits all. A lot of different companies are coming with different strategies to return. And what we're seeing is the workplace is not going to be as it was 20 months ago, or in a more traditional sense of it. We're seeing it's going to be much more of a social meeting place with businesses looking to continue a hybrid office and home working balance.
So a typical example of work we do is very much planned preventative maintenance. So we will go in and assess a client's property or assets, look at the demands that are required in respect to maintenance of that property, and we'll put together a robust schedule of works which will help that client meet their statutory requirements across all mechanical, electrical and plumbing needs, and equally help support that client on any reactive work that they may encounter during that course of our agreement.
Yeah, so within our spaces, they are attuned with our client's brand identity, and as part of the COEL design team, we like to harness that and make sure that we're the brand guardian. So whether it's a true design, brand immersion within that, or whether it's just a subtle nod in certain areas, we often look at the brand but then also understand the architectural detailing of the space. So we like to make sure that we have an understanding of how that environment can work for them but also for the people within.
Our projects cover a wide range of industries, so we get involved quite heavily with the bioscience companies within Cambridge, a lot of spin-offs coming out of the universities, start-up companies, all the way through to hospitality. We've recently finished a fit-out and refurbishment for a golf club, a health centre as well, so a wide range of sectors we get involved with.